today. Oh. This segment of my life is called War. And basically, I'm on my way to work. And if you guys are OGs, you would remember when I told you how my job is and that other companies setting up to me is like war. So my homie called me this morning, the person I work with, and said that somebody came and set up in our spot. So about to go shut them down. This segment of my life is called War. And I'm saying segments just because The Pursuit of Happiness, and I love that movie. But I'm about to pull up on them right now. Watch this. I'll show you too, first person. Window's still dirty, by the way, but pulling up the street and look at what I see. This is a declaration of war. That is a clear-cut sign of somebody needing to die. All I know is I need to find parking though. That is also a key to success out here. If I can find parking, which I hope this is a suitable parking spot. Doesn't look like it is. It's not. Not without me tapping this car in front of me. Damn. All bad. I need to find parking. Yeah, I should come by and ride on top of this truck later. Oh, right now, my bike's in my trunk. That's sick. I can do a Smith. Oh yeah, I'm coming back.
Oh, man. Landed it. Ooh. Nice.
All right, I'm back home after work. After the good sesh I had at work. I don't know. I kind of want to film a promo today. Just like shots of all the clothing and everything. But I don't know. I don't know. I know for sure that I'm supposed to go meet up with Chris Cruz later at like 6 at Ghetto Skate Park again. Just because he hasn't rode in a while and he asked me to meet up. And we got to talk about some things anyway, so I think that's going to happen today. So it should be a pretty good day. It's not too hot out. I mean, it's bearable at least. And yeah, I just printed up some new shirts, so if you guys put your orders in now, you'll have them soon. The next few days, you'll have them. Well, depending on where you're at. Don't hold me to that. But order now. Buy now. Bang, bang, bang. See you in a sec. All right, Chris said 5:30 at Ghetto, so until then, yeah, whatever. Chris said meet him at 5:30 at Ghetto, so until then it's 4:30, so an hour away. Until then, I'm gonna go ride MOK with Antoine and whoever else is there. I mean, if anybody else is there. I hope so. I'll see you guys. Alright, I'm waiting for Chris now because I have nobody to ride with, and MOK, I hate riding it by myself. So now I'm outside Ghetto waiting for Chris Cruz. It's hot. And I just realized I can't find my portable charger. So this is going to suck because if my phone dies, I don't know what I'm going to do. And I'm broke, so I can't afford to buy a new one. We'll see.
Time in the building. Oh. Where's Bruce? Alright, Markel with the alley-oop 3 to fakie. Damn, you can't see nothing on your phone. That haze though. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh my God, that was...
Hang time, X Hicks film. Fire! Oh!
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Wow, what else you getting? That's just one clip.
Oh.
Get back on it. Let me see a 540 over this. What's up, bro? Nah, this isn't my vlog. It's his vlog. But shout out to his vlog. Yeah. Oh my God! I totally blew it. I kind of got it. I got like a close up of his front wheel.
I didn't do it again. That was ugly.
Yeah, I cleaned it up.
Y'all got YouTube channels?
He does. Shout out Hang Time. Hang Time. Shout out Hang Time, bro.
Oh, shout out Hang Time.
Hey. Yeah. Send it. Oh my God. Bet. Woo. Alright, there's two. I'll give you that.
There's two?
Wait, let's go get one in the box now.
Oh.
This is power hour. So you gotta force Markel to do stuff, otherwise he won't. You gotta tell him exactly what to hit, where to ride, and I have to film. Otherwise nothing gets done out here. Shout out to Swag though. Looks like from right here, it looks like I'm wearing suspenders. Oh, hop the fence, go out the park. Pull jam. Oh.
Hop over the fence?
Yeah.
I did want to, but not right now.
All right.
Maybe later.
Woo! You're coming
Oh
in hot.
my God, thank you. Thank
Boom.
you.
That's a good,
Guys, so I just left the park. Hicks left the park with me. I was gonna go to Houghton, but nobody's at Houghton. And on the way to the freeway, there's this street spot. It's classic. Gabe Brooks used to ride it. Everybody used to ride it. And I just always wanted to go to it. And this is my first time at it. But it's this fire ledge to another ledge. And I want to do ice, nose manual, Smith 180. So I'm gonna try to get a self-film angle of that right now. And hopefully it goes well and I don't get broke off. Gonna suck. I did it. I did it. All right, guys, I'm happy I landed that out of the way. Finally, I don't have to do it. But I just found this random like parking bank thing. It's right here. You probably can't even tell that it has a little lip. But I'm gonna try to like, basically like 540 to fakie. It's probably the smallest thing I've ever done a 5 on. Hopefully do a 5 on. But I'll try to get a good angle for you guys to see that since nobody's with me. Yeah, I'm feeling good today, guys. Let's get it. Yes, I'm so happy. One more thing before I head out. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this, but I'm going somewhere. But there's this ledge right here. I gotta hanger it. I ain't did one hanger today. Gotta do a hanger. Gotta represent, man. Hang time. Gotta do my hanger. Maybe I'll do switch and regular. I don't know. We'll see. Another one down. Yo! Alright, I came out of frame a little bit when I landed it, but I did land it, and I'm happy. I'm leaving. I'm going home. I'm about to relax. Today's kind of been a fun one. I need to do this more often. Maybe with somebody to film though. But today was fun. That last one it didn't actually take that long, but I had to do it 2 times because I didn't know that my phone stopped filming. I ran out of storage and my phone stopped filming. So I actually pulled the switch hanger 180 2 times. But now I'm on my way back to the car, and then I'm gonna just go home. Today, oh, oh my, that's how life happens. I was just about to say today feels like a success, and it is. I got some orders. Thank you. Shout out to everybody that ordered. Those are coming out soon. Everybody that didn't order, go get yours too. You know, it's hot out here and you want to look good and you want to represent the gang. Hashtag hang time, you know, do it. But today was a good day. Like, I had genuine fun and I didn't really get hurt, and it feels great. Like, I'm really happy about it. I'm happy about everything I did today. And for this video, please, 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 please hit that like button. Like, I want this one to go up, like. So yeah, you guys do that for me, and then you know the usual: like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, hashtag hang gang in the comments, and let's grow. Let's get to that 10K, cause I got some challenges I want to do for it. So let's get it done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching another video. Peace.